Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Alright, so we're doing this video on a 2020 Honda Odyssey, and we're doing this video on the rear ABS sensor. This is going to be on the driver's side rear. So let's just go through the symptoms if you guys need to replace this sensor. The car that I was working on has, I think, 25,000 miles. It's a 2020. Okay, so pretty much if you guys need to replace the ABS sensor, car's probably gonna have more mileage than that, probably like closer to like 125,000, 150,000 miles. But let's just go through all the symptoms. All right, there could be a chance that if you guys have like a newer Honda or whichever car you guys have, and if you guys have ABS issues or whatever, you guys could have a defective ABS sensor that needs to be replaced. It's a rare occasion that happens, but it does happen. So basically, you're probably going to have your ABS light on your dash, probably going to have your brake light dash on your dash, a check engine light, a traction light, probably going to have all those lights on your dash. And if you guys have an ABS scanner, you guys could probably just pop it in, an OBD2 scanner that does scanning specifically for ABS sensors. It'll tell you which sensor has the issue. All right. Now, if you guys have this problem, there's a good chance that your car's probably not going to be driving too great. There are other vehicles that probably won't let you drive with an ABS sensor. I've had a 2008 Chevy Tahoe that actually locked up the brakes when the ABS sensors went bad. Don't know why they would do that, because the ABS sensors, I mean, they're important, but they're not that important. There was a time where cars didn't have ABS sensors, but to lock you out of your car, to lock the brakes on you so that you don't drive it, or to actually change up the driving mode of the vehicle where it doesn't drive consistently good because the ABS sensor went out, is a little bit crazy to me, but that's the way it is in new vehicles. And there's a good chance that the dealership probably wants to make money off you, so you need to get it in, and you'd spend, I don't know, like $300-400 for them to just change out one sensor. I'm sure that's the case. In any case, let's just talk about how you guys would change out the sensor on this vehicle. As you guys can see, the sensor is very easy to get to. It's got one bolt. It's either a 10 millimeter or 7 millimeter. I'm not quite sure. It's probably got a 10 millimeter, I think. In any case, the line for this is very short. All you gotta do is unplug it, and if you're lucky, it just pops, it just comes out. All you gotta do is just wiggle a little bit, pull it. Now with 25,000 miles on it, I'm sure it'll come out pretty easy. With 125,000 miles, with 150,000 miles on it, if you've ever done ABS sensors before with that kind of mileage on the vehicle, particularly not just with that mileage, but if it's like an older vehicle, like 10 years, 11 years, there's a good chance that the ABS sensor is seized in there. Reason being is that the ABS sensor itself is plastic. Now, I'm going through all this because I'm pretty sure if you're actually looking at trying to figure out how to take the ABS sensor out, this is what you come across in these situations where the top portion, you guys could probably use a long nose plier to take it off. The portion, the long portion that's inside the hole where the ABS sensor sits, that's probably going to be melted into the spindle. And if that's the case, you're probably going to have to do some extra work to fish it out or get it out or destroy it or whatever. Now, there's a couple of things you guys could do. You guys could drill it. You guys could use a drill into the hole, drill out the plastic. Or B, what you guys can do also is, well, you guys could also drill, put a screw in there, screw it in, and then use like an L-shaped long nose plier to actually pry it out. Either of those cases will work. You will need to do some work, obviously, in these situations where it's stuck in the wheel well. I've done enough ABS sensors to know that it's probably a frustrating thing if you guys have that situation come up, but it's not the worst thing in the world. You'll be able to get out if you guys know how to get out. In any case, hope this has helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.